What if I told you there's a steak out there fed on olive skins, making it unlike anything you've ever tasted? Is that the only reason a steak from Japan's smallest prefecture creates the buzz among beef insiders around the world? And keep watching because we'll show you how this steak is prepared to nail the authentic flavor of Olive Wagyu in your own kitchen. Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hello, Moody Foodies! Let's take a trip to a place that might not top the usual travel itineraries, but holds a secret delicacy that's as intriguing as it is scarce. Welcome to Kagawa, Japan's smallest prefecture, home to a culinary phenomenon that's been stirring whispers among beef aficionados: Olive Wagyu. This isn't just any steak. It's a culinary rarity that, until recently, was virtually known outside of a select circle of Japanese farmers and a handful of beef insiders. So is it more than just rubbing a Wagyu steak in olive oil? Imagine a steak so exclusive that it represents merely a sliver of Japan's already renowned Wagyu production. Olive Wagyu isn't just rare, it's like stumbling upon a culinary unicorn. This beef didn't just pop up overnight. In fact, its journey from obscurity to winning the Fat Quality Award at Japan's prestigious Wagyu Olympics reads like a fairy tale for food enthusiasts. But what sets Olive Wagyu apart? The answer lies in a unique fusion of Kagawa's 1,300-year cattle-rearing legacy and its olive oil industry. The twist? These cows are fed a diet that includes spent olive skins, a byproduct of olive oil production from Shidoshima Island. This island, a mere hour's ferry ride from Kagawa's mainland, is the cradle of Japan's olive cultivation, contributing 99% of the nation's olive oil. The concept revolves around mottainai, a Japanese principle emphasizing the importance of not wasting anything. Farmers in Kagawa have adopted this philosophy, ingeniously turning olive byproducts into a superfood for their cattle. How does that affect the flavor of the steak? By toasting and drying the olives, they not only reduce waste but also enhance the fruit's sweetness, contributing to the beef's distinctive flavor profile. And there's more. Olive Wagyu boasts an unparalleled marbling, rich in healthy fats and bursting with umami, a savory taste that's deeply satisfying. This steak's secret weapon? High levels of oleic acid, a beneficial monounsaturated fat thanks to the olive-enriched diet of the cattle. This not only elevates the taste but also the health benefits, setting Olive Wagyu apart from other Japanese beef varieties, including the famed Kobe and Matsusaka. The mild climate of the Seto Inland Sea area, combined with olive diet, endows Olive Wagyu with a flavor so unique that locals prefer to enjoy it with nothing more than a simple soy and wasabi dip, allowing that meat's natural richness to shine. How can you prepare an Olive Wagyu so exceptionally rare to enjoy a treasure among beef connoisseurs worldwide? Now, for those seeking to experience the magic of Olive Wagyu in their own kitchen, this simple yet exquisite recipe will elevate your dining experience to new heights. For the Olive Wagyu steak recipe, you'll need a 1-inch thick Olive Wagyu steak, seasoned simply with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To cook the steak, you'll use about a tablespoon of olive oil for searing. The dipping sauce is a blend of 2 tablespoons soy sauce and a 1/2 teaspoon wasabi paste, which you can adjust depending on how spicy you like it. This combination of ingredients is designed to highlight the steak's natural flavors without overwhelming them. Start by letting the Olive Wagyu steak reach room temperature for 30 minutes to ensure even cooking. Season both sides with salt and pepper according to your preference. Heat the skillet over medium-high heat and add olive oil to coat the surface. Place the steak in the skillet, searing each side for 2 to 3 minutes to achieve a medium-rare finish, a cooking level that best preserves the steak's rich flavors. After searing, let the steak rest for 5 minutes on a plate, a crucial step for maintaining its juiciness. Meanwhile, prepare the dipping sauce by mixing soy sauce and wasabi paste in a small bowl. Adjust the wasabi to suit your taste for spiciness. Finally, slice the steak against the grain into thin strips and serve with the soy wasabi sauce on the side. allowing diners to enjoy a personalized flavor experience. How did Olive Wagyu transform from a local delicacy to a global phenomenon? And what does its rise tell us about the future of gourmet food? The answer lies in its limited production. With such a small quantity available, Olive Wagyu was initially a local secret, enjoyed by those few in the know. However, as word of its exceptional quality and unique production method began to spread, it caught the attention of beef enthusiasts worldwide, eager to experience its distinctive taste. The process of creating Olive Wagyu is as meticulous as it is fascinating. Farmers dedicate immense care and attention to every step, from selecting the best olives to ensuring the cattle's well-being. This dedication to quality over quantity is a testament to the artisanal spirit that defines Japan's culinary traditions. Beyond its taste, Olive Wagyu offers a window into the interconnectedness of Japanese agriculture and cuisine. It illustrates how innovation can arise from tradition, transforming byproducts into culinary gold. This steak isn't just food, it's a story of sustainability, tradition, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. But how did this gastronomic treasure remain under the radar for so long? For those lucky enough to taste Olive Wagyu, savoring it is more than enjoying a steak. It's a deep dive into the rich tapestry of Japanese culinary traditions, innovation, and dedication. This rare delicacy, emerging from Japan to captivate global palates, encourages us to reflect on our culinary values, emphasizing the importance of detail, care, and the quest for uniqueness in our dining experiences. In a realm dominated by mass production, Olive Wagyu shines as a testament to artisanal excellence, urging us to cherish the narrative behind each meal and approach food with reverence and curiosity. As Olive Wagyu's journey from Japan's best-kept secret to a globally sought-after experience unfolds, it invites us on a culinary exploration that transcends borders, blending history with gastronomic innovation. Here's a playful nugget of information to complement your Olive Wagyu exploration. Picture this. In the world of Olive Wagyu, even the cattle live a life of luxury, dining on what might be considered a bovine version of a health spa diet. It's said that if these cows had social media, their feeds would be full of envy-inducing posts about their gourmet meals and serene lifestyles. Imagine cow selfies with captions like, "Just had my daily olive skin snack," feeling #blessed and #omega-3 rich. So next time you enjoy this exquisite beef, remember you're savoring the result of what might be the happiest cows on earth. Did Olive Wagyu's unique story whet your appetite for more culinary adventures? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for a feast of discoveries. Hit that bell icon so you won't miss a slice of the action. Remember, life's too short for ordinary steak. Stay hungry, my friends!